Speech for text input is 3 to 4 times faster than typing. And in situations where, 1, users do not have a physical keyboard, such as with touchscreens, or 2, it may be inconvenient to input text through typing or writing, such as when away from a traditional workspace, dictation is a useful alternative to produce text more quickly and conveniently. Yet dictation often produces disfluent, wordy, and incoherent text that is hard to read and requires heavy post-processing. Current interfaces for dictation do not handle these problems, as they merely transcribe speech and let users edit in a traditional text editor. However, literature from cognitive science suggests that speaking differs largely from typing, as the production is much less planned and people tend to remember the gist of the content rather than verbatim. Hence, we consider gist-based interfaces that operate on the gist of a composition. We operationalize this concept by creating Rambler, an LLM-powered graphical user interface that supports the review of and conceptual manipulation of dictated text. In Rambler, a user can segment their spoken content into pieces, which we call rambles. To begin writing with speech, users can press the New Ramble button at the bottom right to create a new ramble and start recording. When the user finishes recording a ramble, the LLM automatically cleans a transcript. Users can add new rambles as they speak to help segment their writing. As the basis of our interface, we provide manual macro revisions, such as manually splitting a ramble by hitting return, manually merging rambles by dragging and dropping, and reordering rambles by dragging. Users can also re-speak a ramble, add on to a ramble, and if necessary, keyboard edit. As spoken text is more verbose, we provide gist extraction through semantic zoom and keywords to help users review their composition. The slider at the bottom of the interface adjusts semantic zoom, or the degree of summarization. Users can swap from the shorter summarization level to get a gist of what they said, to 25%, or a 50% summarization level to get more details, or back to the full transcript. Furthermore, users can also view and change the automatically highlighted keywords to help themselves grasp what concepts in their composition are being recognized as important. By toggling keywords within a ramble, and then pressing the cycle icon to regenerate summaries, users can change the summaries for that ramble. As spoken text is also more disorganized, we provide LLM-assisted macro revisions to aid the user. If users have generated a long ramble that contains multiple ideas, they can utilize semantic splitting by pressing the scissors icon to break the ramble into multiple smaller, more focused rambles. Semantic splitting prompts the LLM to split a ramble into multiple rambles based on content and meaning. If users have multiple rambles that they think are of similar idea or concept, they can select the related rambles and then press semantic merge at the bottom. This will prompt the LLM to merge multiple rambles into one ramble based on content and meaning. If users want to define a customized intelligent revision for a ramble, they can ask the LLM through Magic Custom Prompt. Let's click on the magic wand for the first ramble and type in "Rewrite to be clearer." We're also able to select the checkbox that says "Include keywords as context." Now, the LLM rewrites the text in the first ramble. Now we have introduced Rambler. Users can utilize these features in any order they wish. Through gist extraction to help review text, which entails extracting keywords and summaries, alongside macro revisions, which entails merging, splitting, transforming, and re-speaking text, Rambler aims to improve the workflow of writing with speech. To evaluate Rambler, we had 12 participants perform 2 long-form text composition tasks, one with our Rambler interface and another with the baseline, which was a traditional speech-to-text editor with access to ChatGPT. We found that Rambler is a versatile tool used by the participants through highly diverse strategies, and concluded that it better supports the review and iteration of spoken text. 10 out of 12 prefer Rambler over the baseline. Full results are in the paper.